Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and I found something today that I was interested in. I think you may be interested in it as well. And so because I'm not the expert here, I brought my friend Geneva, who is definitely the expert. So Geneva, if you don't mind, a little bit about you, and then what are we looking at? What should people know about, I think, a very unique travel trailer?
Yeah, thanks so much for coming by today.
Yeah.
So this is the Bowlus, and specifically the Bowlus Endless Highways. This is our largest floor plan. But a few things about Bowlus first. Bowlus is the original riveted aluminum travel trailer.
Not Airstream?
Not Airstream.
Okay.
So it predates all others.
Okay.
And has a really phenomenal history. Bowlus was originally built by a sailplane enthusiast in the early 1930s. The company goes all the way back to 1929. So one of the original RV companies, and really fantastically built, and we build them the same way today. But my story with Bowlus is that my family had a 1935 Bowlus, which we restored over 10 years.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
And took it on a road trip, and everyone loved it, wanted to know where they too could get one, and that created the spark. And so we went away, we prototyped the modern Bowlus, and it was really important to us that it had that same shape, the same design, but obviously reimagined for the modern adventurer and create the modern Bowlus. And that was over 15 years, and we've been at it now for over 15 years.
I love that. Trailers tend to be heavy. You go the opposite way. You're pretty light.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, so everything we do is about lightweight, off-grid, quality adventure. So lightweight, let's talk about it first. This is our heaviest Bowlus, 4,400 pounds. So that can be towed by a huge variety of tow vehicles. For example, we towed it out here with a Q5. It's at that cutoff where you can tow it with many things. The Bowlus Rivet, which is our smallest model, 3,500 pounds, so you can even tow it with a Jeep.
Yeah.
Just to put it in perspective. So super light, and that has to do with how we build. So we have an all aluminum space frame. We use 2024 T3 aluminum, which is aircraft grade. We use aircraft grade rivets. We buck them, we don't pull rivet them. And so that creates a really strong exoskeleton shell, as well as being very, very lightweight. And then we combine that with off-grid systems. So this Endless Highways has 19 kilowatt hours of lithium iron phosphate batteries. It has 400 watts of aero solar. This is meant to go off-grid while being easy to tow. So BML land, national parks, state parks where you don't have hookups. This is the perfect length to get in there. We have many C class owners that have converted to something like a Bowlus because they're looking for a quality product and also looking for something that's easy to drive. This is not like towing any other RV. It's the same width as your tow vehicle, so where your tow vehicle goes, it goes. We've taken it on U-turns, through drive-throughs. Options are endless.
Wow, that's amazing. And I know you have a backup camera on the back of it as
do,
well to
yes.
run to the front of the vehicle, I guess.
Yes, absolutely. And then we also have this feature called Aero Move, which I can show you on the other side as well. But that lets you, this is our backup camera here. So incredibly easy to drive. And that's one of the reasons we have, Class B, Class C owners looking to have something like a Bowlus. It has a separate bedroom. It has a separate living room. It has a much bigger bathroom. No wet bathrooms in any Bowluses.
Nice.
And that enables you to have that separate space while being really easy to tow. You can pull it into 2 parking spots. You can back up easy. You can do U-turns. And then we also have a mover on the side of the wheel. And you can move the entire Bowlus with a handheld remote. Yeah, so this is an electric motor. So this is on both sides. This electric motor is going to engage against the wheel, and then you're able to, with the handheld remote, move the Bowlus forward, backwards, or spin it.
So when you get to your parking area, it's less about being perfect when you back in, and you just use your app to do that.
Absolutely. I don't even worry about it. You just set it up. And also great if you're wanting to store it next to your home and maybe couldn't even drive in with the tow vehicle or don't want to. Backing up is not everyone's favorite thing, especially if you don't have to. So with the handheld remote, you can just move this exactly into your campsite, into your parking spot, even into your indoor storage. So it makes it really easy.
That's amazing. I love that. Let's check out some of the cool things on the inside.
Sounds good. So the galley is always going to be at the front. So we have lots of counter space, stainless steel counters. This is the only steel you're going to find in a Bowlus. We have everything else being aluminum. Lots of workspace, deep sink, and then lots of storage. So storage up above here, all of our drawers are going to be hard pull, soft close drawers. Down below, we have the 3-in-1. So that's going to be 3-in-1 convection oven, convection microwave, and air fryer. Storage here on this side. A deep drawer here. More storage on this side. Above the fridge. And then the fridge itself, which is a drawer fridge as an option in this model with freezer. And then we have the 2-burner induction cooktop on this side, which also can double as a prep, and then the spice rack. You'll notice this lashing system throughout, and that's going to be to secure long gear. So bicycles, surfboards, paddle boards, anything like that can come right in through the front door and then be secured on all the uprights. They go all the way back too.
Very nice.
And then you come into the living room.
Very comfortable, but you know, you definitely feel the history of airplane, the fuselage and what have you, because it feels like kind of a galley you'd see in an airplane.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's part of how we build, so everything is meant to be secured. It feels really durable.
It does.
Made for performance, which it is, while also being really beautiful. So we have a lot of people compare it to private aviation.
Yes.
Because we're using all real wood on the inside. We're using really beautiful soft materials that feel good. You're able to control temperature. You're able to control comfort and lighting. All of the lights, for example, dim. We have the beautiful skylights with blinds as well, blinds that roll down, but it's also very workable. So we have the integrated Starlink on the roof, which means you can work remotely. And then we also have an oversized dinette, and that's on purpose. So both people can open 17-inch laptops here and be working and be comfortable. We have a pure sine wave inverter, so if you ever need a printer or other office equipment, you're ready to go. And then lots of storage. So in the living room, you're going to find the storage down below here, 5 of these drawers. And also for your followers that have pets, we have pet bowls in this one, which are also removable.
Nice.
And then as we go towards the bathroom and closet storage, you have yours and mine storage on either side. Full hanging bars, places for shoes and linens as well up above. And then you also have those 5 drawers in the living room that we already showed. And then the bathroom works like this. So the bathroom, you're going to open both of these big doors at the same time, and then it's going to fully expand. You'll have the shower on this side, which will be a sit-down shower for most folks, and then the toilet on this side, vanity on this side. So let's show how that works, and then I'll open back up the doors and we can go through everything. So step forward and then open up that door behind you. So the shower has teak flooring, teak seat. You'll see the emergency exit. And then our toilet is a cassette toilet system, and this is an intentional choice meant to be dumped in toilets, porta potties, or sewer cleanouts while you're on the road. And then over here we have the vanity with really beautiful lighting, which is great. All of our monitoring panels are over here as well. We use a hydronic heating system, so that is perfect for 4 seasons camping, which the Bowlus is made for. We use a force-fit polyiso insulation. We have, which has a higher R value than other insulation. All of our water systems are inside, including the fresh water tank, all of the PEX valves. So as long as your Bowlus is being kept warm in cold temperatures, you're good to go. And that heating system is phenomenal and also has heated floors in this endless highways. We also have your air conditioning monitoring panels, battery monitoring panels, master storage switch, and inverter. And then behind you is the bedroom, and we have it set up right now in the king setup, but it also can be converted into 2 twins. If that makes it easier for you to get into bed. And as you saw, it has that beautiful 2-tone wood interior, the walnut and the birch, the Bowlus branded headboards, reading lights with charging, little shelves as well up above, and then windows that slide open. And so a very comfortable place to get a night's rest. And then also that separate bedroom. That's a huge reason those van owners do come over to Bowlus is you don't have to set up your bed every night because it's going to be right there. And then also you have that separate space. So if one partner gets up earlier than the other, you're ready to go with 2 fully insulated doors.
Inside. So a couple questions for you as we wind down. You guys are based where?
We're based in Oxnard, California, is where we manufacture, and we have a full showroom in Santa Barbara, California.
And is that where people would potentially come if they wanted to see them? Or?
Yeah, absolutely. If you want to see our full lineup, the best place to do that is in Santa Barbara, California, and we do have events from time to time.
Beautiful part of the country.
Yes, very beautiful part of the country,
absolutely.
Isn't it?
Yes, it is. And just to give people an idea, you have how many different models then of this?
We have 2 different models.
Okay.
This is our biggest model, 27 feet long, and we have a 25-foot model as well.
Got it. And I'm assuming this one's decked out. This one, all your options.
That's true. So the Bowlus starts at 150,000.
Okay.
The Endless Highways, which is this model, starts at 185. As configured, it's just under 280,000.
Okay.
But you can configure exactly how you want. So that's really one of the benefits of Bowlus is we're configured to order. So you can decide what features are important to you. Are off-grid systems important to you? Are the luxury birch features important to you? Are heated floors important to you? And you can decide what's most important to you to have
like
your
that.
Bowlus exactly for you.
I like that. And if they were to call you up and say, I'm interested, these are the options, about how long do they wait for their order then?
Yeah, so we work by asking customers when they want their order and work
Okay.
against that.
And go
But in
backwards.
general, it's about a year ahead to book a Bowlus.
And I'm assuming they can go right to your website to get any other questions answered or look at different options.
Yeah, absolutely. They should visit us at bowlus.com. We also have a YouTube channel that has many videos going through all the features. So feel free to check us out and speak to a member of our sales team with any extra questions.
Absolutely. And I appreciate you taking a few minutes to talk to us all about one of your products.
Awesome. Well,
Yeah.
thanks so much for coming.
Absolutely. And thanks for everybody for hanging in there and watching. And I hope all your future RV trips are optimized. See you next time.